Hello and welcome to ISB Global Services. This video will serve as a complete tutorial and guide through our entire order center. Immediately upon logging in, you'll see on the top right-hand corner where you can change your language from English to French. And in this gray box on the left-hand side, you'll see your profile information, including your login credentials, which will be provided to you immediately upon registration, as well as a small bulletin board with any items that may require your attention. Let's begin with our order center. Located in the top taskbar, this is where we'll go to place orders for all products. The first thing we do is select the region in which we require the information from our drop-down menu. From there, we can scroll down and select All Searches. This will display all products available for this region. To view more detail regarding a product, you can simply select the product and a brief description will be displayed. To select a product, you simply check the box, scroll down, and click Next. A message alert will appear if there are any changes to a product or new notifications which we wish for you to be aware of in advance of placing an order. To proceed, you can just click Close. At the top of the screen, you will see confirmation that we're ordering a product 45, which is a police report for a motor vehicle accident. And down here, you'll see that the red asterisk indicates the fields that are required. To begin, we can enter in the insured's information, starting with their first name, last name, the claim or reference number, and we can click on the calendar to navigate with the arrows for the date of loss. As you scroll down, you will see a quick note advising that the required fields do vary depending on the police agency. We ask that you provide all the information available. If you're not able to supply at the very least the mandatory fields, we won't be able to proceed with the order. As we go down, you'll see that it's confirmation that we have selected Alberta, and we'll scroll down to complete our accident details. You will see that the responding police agency is not a mandatory field. If unknown, our team will complete this information upon processing your order. We'll begin with the mandatory fields, the detailed location of the accident, so either an address or the cross streets, the city or town of the accident, the occurrence or police file number, and any other information that we may have. So the time, officer name, badge number, as well as any of the driver details or third-party details. Another mandatory field asks if there are any fatalities that occurred. We would select the applicable answer, either yes, no, or if you're unsure, you can select not applicable. If you had any special instructions in which you wish for our team of specialists to be aware of in advance of placing your order, you can include them here. And if you are attaching a consent form with your order, this is where you would be able to browse to select your consent form and attach it to your order. From here, we would just click Next. You'll see now on the right-hand side a brief confirmation advising of your claim or reference number, the product that you're ordering, and you'll see here that the status is not submitted. To make any changes to your order, you can just click on the product and it will bring you back to your form and you can complete any new information that you might have and update your order. If you're not updating your order, you can just come over here and click Submit. Now you can either click for email confirmation or you can click here to start a brand new order.